Getting a really dodgy mid-tone here, probably in the 40s. I'm in deep high conductor, 5-tone here. It sounds really junky now. Huh. That's a really weird target. There's got to be some iron right here. Maybe some foil. Might be some foil too. It's a nail right there. There's got to be something else in this plug here. It's iron. There's got to be something else in this plug here. I'm gonna go for it. Just gonna go for it, man. Oh, that was probably a mistake. Another nail right there. There's something inside this plug here. I'll figure it out here. It could be something really small. It was a really faint target, so I don't know. It's just such a faint target. I'll have to get that one on higher frequencies. Hot soil here, a lot of iron too. Boy. Oh boy. That one sounded really good. But I couldn't pinpoint it. Screamer, right here. Right here. This is a good one. Hell yeah. Bring it on right here. Is it a deep coin? Right there. Oh my gosh. It sounds deep, man. Oh, come on, bring it on. Right there. Is it a coin ball? Right there. That's a little buckle, man. A deep buckle. Look at that. There. Little buckle. Right there, man. Yeah, right next to some iron. Look at that. Right next to some freaking iron, man. Freaking crazy, man. Big old chunk of iron right there. It's not sticking to it, but it's definitely iron. All right. All rusty. Freaking awesome, man. Smashed it. Look at that. More iron right there, too. Freaking awesome, man. More iron right there. Freaking epic, man. Right next to it. See that? Smack that buckle right next to the iron, man. Now that's pretty impressive. All right. Deep high conductor, 5-tone. I have my tone brakes set kind of funky right now. I'm just experimenting a little bit. I'm gonna go for this iron here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Is it a pull tab right there? That would be freaking crazy if it were a pull tab or a coin right next to the garbage can. Oh, freaking hell yeah, dude. What's that? No, it's not a ring. I thought it was a ring right there. No, it's not a ring. It's some plastic. I'll throw that away. Freaking epic, man. Freaking epic, man. Freaking epic, dude. It's a pull tab. Right there. It's a bent pull tab. Right there. Folded in half. Yeah, man. This freaking deep high conductor is banging, man. I love this program, man. I love it. Are you kidding me? There's no way. There could not be a coin here. I have dug so many, hunted this spot so many times. This is really hot soil right here, dude. Oh, no way, man. So I'm having my best results in deep high conductor with this machine by far. It's a coin in a burn pile. Copper penny in a burn pile. That's freaking crazy. There's glass. There's little pieces of glass everywhere here. Right. Lots of charcoal. Glass and charcoal. That's freaking crazy, man. This is some really hot ground right here. I think it's a burn pile. I am at ground stability 2 also. I can't run it in 1. Not when the soil's just wet today. There's a coin right there. You gotta be kidding me. I found a coin here about a week ago, or a couple weeks ago with the simplex. When it was starting to get dark out. See the burn pile? There's a burn pile right here. Just totally went away. A lot of ash in the soil here. Probably won't be able to find this target now. Yep, totally lost it. It's not on the end of my shovel there. No, kind of weird. Near the surface. It's in the plug. Oh, it's probably something I dropped from my bag up here or something. Yeah, it's a lighter front wheel right there. Probably dropped from my bag when I was emptying my bag out. I'll show you what I got going on here. See? All the stuff I've been taking out today. Some brass there. Some aluminum. Some iron. I've dug out some big iron today too. Just getting it out of the ground. Just getting out of the ground. Oh, it smells like ketchup in there. It smells like ketchup. I'm not into that. The 5-tones just really seems to be doing very well in this park. Deep high conductor. General program seems to be working really good for the lower conductors too. I tried beach program in the relic dump there and over next to the sidewalk, and it wasn't doing it. Really unstable. I even tried to mess with my salt setting too, and it's really wet here today. Very wet ground. Big pipe there. I really like the mid-tones on my settings here, how I have it, my tone breaks adjusted. I always know that it's something good, man. I already dug a hole here. Straight down, there's some glass down there too. Very well could be a freaking epic relic, so I'm gonna go really easy with this sucker, man. Go really easy with it. Rocks, man. Seems like all the relics here are bricks coming out. Seems like all the good relics are in the rocks here. Go easy with it. Right there. Right there. Oh my God. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Triple whammy, quadruple whammy, 4 ring pulls tied together. I'm really liking this deep high conductor program. I got it dialed in just right in 5-tone. Got my tone break set up just right. I might make a couple adjustments to my mid-tone here. Raise that threshold up on the lower end up just a little bit and start discriminating less. So I don't want to be high tone falsing on too much stuff here, so I might maybe notch out some ground here. I'll try that in on my next pass through here. Just keep on getting lots of stuff through here, just changing my settings, changing programs, changing frequencies. I haven't really been in mono frequency much because it's too hard to dial in. It's too hard to stabilize a detector, you know. I wish they had a stabilizer control on the mono frequency program, so I don't have to ground balance every 5 minutes, you know, or every 10 feet. So, well, thank you for watching.